In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Grok AI using your Apple ID in 2025. This straightforward process will have you up and running in no time, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your Apple ID with Grok AI's robust platform. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. It's always good practice to ensure your browser is up to date. This tip is especially important for maintaining security and ensuring compatibility with various websites. Once you're on the Google homepage, head to the search bar. In the search bar, type Grok and press Enter. Google will then display a list of search results for Grok, a popular AI platform. Keep in mind that names of applications like Grok can sometimes lead to multiple search results, so it's helpful to pay attention to the website details in the descriptions. When you find the official Grok website, go ahead and click on the link. This will take you directly to the Grok homepage, where we'll move on to the next step. Now, locate the Sign Up button, which is conveniently located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will bring up various options for account creation and login. Since we're focusing on logging in using your Apple ID today, those other options don't concern us. Look for the option labeled Sign Up with Apple. This should be prominently displayed on the Sign Up page. Clicking it will redirect you to the Apple Sign-In page, where you can enter your Apple ID credentials. Remember to have your Apple ID and password handy. It's always best to have these details ready to avoid any disruptions during the login process. After entering your Apple credentials, you may be prompted to verify your identity using two-factor authentication. This step is crucial for security, as two-factor authentication protects your account from unauthorized access. Follow the instructions provided on your device to complete this verification. Once verified, you're automatically redirected back to Grok AI. At this point, you should see your profile page. A quick check to ensure everything is set up correctly is to glance at the lower left corner of the screen, where your profile icon is displayed. Clicking on it should reveal your basic account details and confirm that you're logged in. And there you have it, an easy way to log in to Grok AI using your Apple ID. This method provides a secure, efficient way to access Grok AI, taking full advantage of Apple's verification processes and making sure your account is set up correctly. Remember, the seamless integration of services like Apple ID with platforms such as Grok AI is designed for your convenience and security, allowing you to focus on exploring all that Grok AI offers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Grok AI.